Chashalo Dormonogor Thanani Usi Sritikando Bordoni Tuidol Mumbai Dormonogor Thana Rail Station Amsini Khoroksa Phekmungni Baniya Khlainaino Eres Khlaika Police Bini Yago Naitugwi mankha Kaiba Saban case missing of 55 gram brown sugar Hati Abuni Hati Dor 5.5 Lekha Angne Hini Shaka SDPO B Zorin Puya Huiza Koktomani Bisingti Chashalo Dormonogor Thanani Bristoni Thani Kaiso Huiza Koktoma Shopaimani Phekmungni Koktoma mankha Ankino Phekmungno Yago Tuye Habawa Khlaiwi Police Paithago Dormonogor Thana Rail Station Amsini Khoroksa Phekmungni Baniya Khlainaino Eres Khlaiwi bini Yago Naitugwi mankha Kaiba Saban case missing 55 gram brown sugar Phekmungno Eres Khlaijaknani mung Ongkha Salman Hussein Tongthai Baikopur Gram Pancayat Tunongwar Amsayo Paithago Borokni mung NDPS State Kerongo Khlaisakhai Fire
This morning, based on secret information we had received, we had detained one person named Salman Hussein nearby Dharmanagar railway station. His age is 23. He is from Bhagyapur. Searching his luggage, his bag, we have found around 5 soap cases, which is suspected to be heroin. So now we will arrest him, and then we will get detained, and then we will make a case against him. So further investigation will be revealed. Currently the value of this is around 55 gram heroin, which is around 5.5 lakhs in the market. So further investigation will reveal where he is going. Currently what we have known is that he will be going to Agartala by train. There is much information for him.
Paithago Police Remand Chani Koktishalo Salman Hussein Hanko Dormanogo Tishane Hini Shaka Dormonogor Thanani Police Phekmungno Ti Shab Korong Jaktong Abono Ti Chaitogini Mungo Khorjakta Buk Dormonogor Thanani Police Bureau Report Chini Khorang